Hi, John Villala here with All Pro Home Inspection, and today we're going to show you an improperly installed vent pipe for a hot water heater. What we have here is a 2005 manufactured hot water heater that has been replaced, or obviously been installed to replace the original hot water heater in this property. And the installer installed the vent pipe with an improper angle or pitch on our vent pipe. We should have an upward angle on our vent pipe to enhance our atmospheric draft and to ensure that we don't have any condensation that wants to run back down into our vent pipe and cause rust and deterioration. We'll recommend that a qualified plumbing contractor review this problem and properly pitch this vent pipe and be all set. Thank you, and see you the next time.